Hello everyone, welcome to NAS Unboxing. I'm Sam. Today we are going to unbox the TS-251B. The TS-251B is a 2-bay high-end home NAS, and this is also the first 2-bay NAS that can support the PCIe expansion function. Let's start. Underneath the polystyrene there is the NAS, then the Ethernet cable, power cable, screws, and the user manuals. This is the TS-251B. It uses a dual-core Intel J3355 Celeron processor with the clock speed up to 2.5 GHz. And it comes with 2 GB or 4 GB memory as standard and can expand it up to 8 GB. The front is fully covered, so it provides a better dust protection. And here are the status slide for the hard drives, and here is the power button. Down here we have a USB 3.0 port and the one-touch copy button for you to transfer files from or to the NAS. On the rear of the NAS, you have all of your usual and unique features. There are three 3.5mm audio ports for your microphones and speakers. There are 3 USB 2 ports and 1 USB 3.0 ports, providing enough ports for your various devices, including a mouse and keyboard if you want to directly play the virtual machines that are hosted on your NAS. This is the HDMI port, network port, fan, and the power socket. And this unique space is for installing a PCIe card on the NAS, which is normally a feature that only in high-end NAS models. This is the quick installation QR code, allowing for easy setup of the NAS. Just connect your NAS to your network, turn on the power, and scan the code for the installation. The PCIe slots allows you to expand the core functionality by adding certain cards. Add a network card to add more network ports or to upgrade the network speed. Add a QNAP QN2 card to install M.2 SSDs into the NAS. If you need to use more USB devices, you can add a USB card. Add a wireless network card to your NAS as a wireless access point. If you are looking to upgrade to a 10 gigabit network, QNAP provides various affordable PCIe adapters to NAS and your PC, and a 10 gigabit switches. The TS-251B has many ways to protect your data, including the full protection of Snapshot. Snapshot can help you protect your content of files from accidental deletion or malware attacks. You can view the contents for restoring the individual files, or you can restore the entire content of the NAS if needed, and up to 1024 snapshots are supported. If you are looking for a high-end NAS for home use, the TS-251B provides everything you need. You have a PCIe slot for expanding core NAS functionality. The front cover can protect against dust. The HDMI port supports up to 4K output. There are 5 USB slots that support a wide range of devices. Snapshots for dependable file protection. The TS-251B runs QTS operating system that can provide a wide range of functions for file management, backup, search, synchronization, and multimedia. It also supports virtualization station, allowing you to host and use various virtual machines. This ends the introduction of our TS-251B. You can find more information of our wide range of products at our website QNAP.com. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we will see you next time on NAS Unboxing QNAP Live Broadcast.